Okay, guys, here it is. Amazon seat with the backrest. I love it. Looks good on my scooter. Feels good. This scooter's got so much power. I really wanted something so my bottom didn't slide off the back of the seat. But let me also add that these two tools mentioned in a previous review, the gal states that they're useless and work for nothing. She's indeed wrong. They do work. One of them is to secure the back brace to the underside of the seat and this bracket here. And the wrench is to, let me see, the wrench is to tighten these side nuts on the underside of the seat. I used a different one. I got a better system, but this indeed fits. So I don't know what she's talking about. She was trying to put the wrench at a different area that didn't belong. So anyway, there you go. Thank you.
This is the wrench that came with the seat, and it says to use it on these. It doesn't fit, it's too big, and you have no way to even turn it. And this one is even worse. There is no way to get in there and tighten that. This seat is ill-prepared and doesn't work.